Hello, hi, and welcome you all to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani Dishes. And today we will be seeing how to prepare Valval. Now, Valval is an other delicacy among the GSB Konkanis, and it is one of the side dishes prepared during Upanayanam, wedding, festival season for Vratas as well as Ekadashis. And unlike Dharme Uman, it does not have sesame. Addition of star fruit or raw mango or bilimbi or bitter gourd and not even curd. The rest of the procedure is similar to the preparation of Dharme Uman. Now the Olen prepared by Keralites is also similar to Valval, but the Keralites do not use the same vegetable combination as we use. The speciality of Valval is that the proportion of cut vegetables should be equal not only but also the way you cut them should also be similar. Now to enrich the Valval you can add cashew nuts as well as along with the vegetables, and some recipes even garnish Valval with curry leaves. I have not garnished the Valval with curry leaves. Okay. Coming to the ingredients. Half cup thinly sliced pumpkin, half cup thinly sliced ashgourd, half cup sliced colcasia roots. Here I have used Sopur Mande as you call it in Konkani, or else small colcasia roots. Those ones I have used in the preparation of the dish. 2 to 3 green chilies, or you can even add more as per your spiciness level. 1/4 cup of sliced potatoes, and this is optional. Some recipes add both Monday and potato. Some add either of them, either Monday or potato. And Monday or potato are usually added to give the thickness to the gravy. 3 to 4 tablespoons of grated coconut for extraction of coconut milk. Raw coconut is preferred. For garnishing you use a pinch of asafoetida, 1 teaspoon of fresh coconut oil. There is no seasoning for this dish. If you want, you can garnish with curry leaves also. Fresh curry leaves. Peel, wash and cut the vegetables. Pumpkins and ashgourd cut into thin slices of similar shape and size. Colcasia roots into thin semicircular slices or circular slices. Slit the green chilies. Once done, transfer everything to the separator of a pressure cooker, and after one whistle, simmer and keep for 2 to 3 minutes. Once done, switch off the flame. Open the lid of the pressure cooker when it cools down. You can even boil the vegetables on the stove. If you want to boil the vegetables on the stove, then do so in second coconut milk without adding only little water. If you are using third coconut milk, then you can use third coconut milk for boiling the vegetables. Salt you have to add in the end, or else the coconut milk will curdle fast. You add salt in the beginning. Now preparation or I can say extraction of coconut milk. First, you have to take the required amount of grated coconut into the mixer grinder and grind it to a slightly coarse paste. Transfer it to a clean cloth and then squeeze it out so that you get the first coconut milk. Transfer the used coconut which you used for extraction of first coconut milk. You can use the same grated coconut. Transfer it to the mixer jar. Add a little of lukewarm water and then grind it. After that, you repeat the same procedure. Transfer every ground paste to the clean cloth and squeeze out the second coconut milk. Repeat the procedure for extraction of third coconut milk if you want to do so, or else you can stop with second coconut milk. I have used only second coconut milk for the preparation of Valval. I haven't gone till the third coconut milk. Now transfer all the cut and cooked vegetables into a vessel and cook them on medium flame or low to medium flame in second coconut milk. Once done, add first coconut milk and simmer the flame to low. Once you see bubbles starting to arise from the sides, then switch off the flame. Add salt. Garnish with asafoetida and fresh coconut oil. Your valval is ready to be served with rice and dali toy. Thank you for watching my channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.